Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a liquid cooler from Cooler Master. The model number is Cooler Master ML120V2 RGB. I bought this from Vedant Computers for around 4,300 Indian rupees. I will put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it and see what's inside it. These are the specification of the liquid cooler. So inside the box you get the cooler itself with a fan and some user manuals and paperwork. So this is the RGB fan that is provided with this liquid cooler. This actually comes with a RGB header and a power. These are the main accessories of the liquid cooler, means mounting brackets for both AMD and Intel CPUs, and some extra fan screws and one thermal paste that is also included. So a bunch of accessories for the liquid cooler. So here is the pump of that liquid cooler, and this is the radiator. And the pump also comes with two header. One is for power and one is for RGB. So the center part of the CPU cooler, pump, there will be RGB illuminating. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.